Materials required: white plain paper, white tissue papers, balloon, glass, black marker, bulb and holder, adhesive, pencil, scissors, brush, thread, first, take a balloon and inflate it. Prefer a medium-sized balloon. Now, mark the rim of a glass tumbler with a black marker pen on the tight end of the balloon. Now, tear tissue paper into different pieces and using them cover the balloon below the mark and coat it lightly using water and a brush. Next, apply a layer of adhesive on the tissue paper around the balloon and paste one more such layer of tissue paper pieces evenly on top of it. Repeat this process to make 3 or 4 such layers and leave it to dry for some time in a cool place. Once the balloon is dry, cut open the thread of the balloon to deflate it. A hollow paper cast is ready for the lampshade. Insert a bulb inside the lampshade. Let us make it more creative now. Draw feather wings on elongated pieces of paper and make cuts with scissors along the pencil marks. Now, using adhesive, paste the paper feathers around the lampshade and leave it to dry. And this way, it has been a really great experience to learn how to make a beautifully decorative paper lampshade so easily.